Hey, my name is Sandeep Tekchandani. I'm the founder of Sandeep.mba and welcome to my GMAT video lesson. In this presentation, we'll talk about circles. We'll start with the definition of circle and then we will focus on the meanings of chord, diameter, radius, circumference, area, and eventually tangent. So let's start with the definition of a circle. A circle is a set of points in a plane that are all located the same distance from a fixed point that is the center of the circle. For example, the figure shown over here is a circle because it is a set of points in a plane that are all located at the same distance of 7 units from the center O of the circle. A chord of a circle is a line segment that has its endpoints on the circle. For example, JK and PR are the chords of this circle because they have their endpoints on this circle. A chord that passes through the center of the circle is called the diameter of the circle. For example, the chord PR passes through the center O of the circle and it is therefore called the diameter of the circle. A radius is a segment drawn from the center of the circle to a point on the circle. For example, OR and OP are the radii of this circle. The circumference of a circle is the distance around the circle. If r is the radius of the circle, then the circumference is equals to 2 pi r, where pi is approximately 22 upon 7 or 3.14. The area of a circle of radius r is pi r square. In the circle here, O is the center of the circle. JK and PR are chords. PR is a diameter and OR is a radius. So if OR is equals to 7, then the circumference of the circle is equals to 2 pi times 7 is equals to 14 pi. And the area of the circle is equals to pi times 7 square is equals to 49 pi. In this slide, we'll talk about the length of arc. The number of degrees of arc in a circle or the number of degrees in a complete revolution is 360. For example, in the circle with center O shown over here, the length of arc R, S, T is x upon 360 of the circumference of the circle. If x is equals to 60, then arc RST has length 1/6 of the circumference of the circle. In this slide, we'll talk about the tangent. A line that has exactly one point in common with a circle is said to be tangent to the circle. And that common point is called the point of tangency. A radius or diameter with an endpoint at the point of tangency is perpendicular to the tangent line. And conversely, a line that is perpendicular to a radius or diameter at one of its endpoints is tangent to the circle at that endpoint. For example, the line L is perpendicular to the radius OT. In this slide, we'll talk about polygon and circle. If each vertex of a polygon lies on a circle, then the polygon is inscribed in the circle and the circle is circumscribed about the polygon. If each side of a polygon is tangent to a circle, then the polygon is circumscribed about the circle and the circle is inscribed in the polygon. For example, in the figure shown here, the quadrilateral PQRS is inscribed in a circle and hexagon ABCDEF is circumscribed about a circle. In this slide, we'll talk about a triangle inscribed in a circle. If a triangle is inscribed in a circle so that one of its sides is a diameter of the circle, then the triangle is a right triangle. For example, in the circle here, XZ is the diameter of the circle and the measure of angle XYZ is 90 degrees. So let's just summarize. What did we learn in this video lesson? We started with the definition of circle. Then we brushed up the meanings of chord, diameter, radius, circumference, area, and tangent. I hope my video lesson was clear and it will help you in your exams. That is all, my friends. If you found my video lesson helpful, then you should go to sandeep.mba for more information on the GMAT, how to prepare for the GMAT and applying to business schools. You should also click on that like button and let me know in the comments which topics you would like me to cover in my future video lessons. And of course, if you have not yet subscribed, then go ahead and click on that bell so that you'll get notified about my future video lessons. All the best.